Anna, speak your topic. Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah, please, Anna.
thank you very much. Hello, my name is Anna Kharchenko from National Transport University, and our topic is about forest roads restoration with biodiversity conservation using GIS. Okay. We develop solutions to optimize the environment impact assessment of infrastructure. The development of such electronic service will ensure the optimization of environmental impact assessment, and it's very important to for the construction project stage. What is the problem such we see in our research? The problem number one, lack of open data on environmental impact assessment, because the public needs to know how urban and infrastructure projects affect on forests, water, land sources, and other elements of ecosystems. Problem number two is a lack of possibility of data operative and analysis given by the report of environmental impact assessment, because complex and duration of assessment procedure is a time-consuming task. That's why assessment process optimization is relevant at the current stage. Analysis of value of the proposed solutions see that about 70% of respondents believe that the service will be useful in this stage. How to solve this problem? Our goal is to develop the analytic model of environmental impact assessment for transport infrastructure objects. But such service and content can't be used without using geosystems, because such decision makings helping to strike a balance between economic development and the reservation of biodiversity. Stakeholders interested in developing the e-service, these business entities that plan activities subjects on environmental impact assessment, design organizations that ensure implementation of the planned construction or reconstruction activities in the forests, roads, representatives of public who take part in the discussion of the environmental impact assessment, students of ecological and engineering specialities, stakeholders who wish to improve their qualification in this subject. We believe that stages of digital tool prototype development consist of 8 steps. One step, data capture on the environmental conditions. The second step, identification and assessment of environmental threats, impacts, and risks of construction projects in the forest roads. Development of sustainability principles of road construction. Development of the concept of creative model for ensure social, ecological, and economic security of road infrastructure and forest ecosystems. Conceptualization of the method and determinations of quantitative criteria. The algorithm of quantitative assessment of environmental impact assessment. Drafting a document of technical requirements for environmental impact assessment, because there is no one in Ukraine, and design and develop a prototype digital tool for assessing environmental impact risks and threats. There is no analogies in Ukraine. There is a similar products in other European countries, but such programs don't take into account all environmental indicators. So we believe that our tool will be useful and helpful in other countries also, as well as in Ukraine. Thank you for attention, and I believe that there is some questions, so I'm ready to answer to them. Thank you.
Okay. Who want to give questions to Anna? Please. Okay. Thank you, Anna, for your presentation, for your topics. And you can stop sharing